guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a foreign body inside the eye when stuck inside the eye. Actually, it's not practical to a GP doctor to remove the foreign body inside the eye, but in third world countries, when your patient have to go 2 hours to consult an ophthalmologist, so you have to try at least in acute eye insults with a foreign body or anything. So you have many options to remove the foreign body. First of all, this is also practical in home when patient want to use the paper. Previously, all parents they use it to remove foreign body inside the eye, but this is so dirty, you cannot use it, and this is very bad to your eye. If you use it to remove the stone, the part of rock or anything inside your eye, this is not acceptable. Another thing, a clean paper, a sharp clean paper, you can fold it, and when you look at the eye, you have to use the angle, physical angle, in order to see the foreign body. Someone touch in the lateral of the head, and you look at it and you see the foreign body. Otherwise, if you directly look at the eye of the patient, you're not gonna see the foreign body. So the best way that someone or with one hand, just direct light in this angle to the eye, and someone in this side should look to the eye in order to see the foreign body. So this person that look to the eye, of course, will be you. When you see it, of course, if you use lidocaine and normal saline towards the eye before starting the procedure, will be better, because will anesthetize the eye with lidocaine, so the patient may be so cooperative with your procedure. So the first thing you can use it is a paper, which is usually will fail to remove the foreign body. So by this folded part of the paper, just try directly do that in order to remove the foreign body. If it's failed, and usually it will fail, you can use a clean, sterile insulin needle, this small needle. It is so easy, no danger, but of course there is a risk for eye injury, and even if just remove the foreign body, will lead to eye injury. Before that, it is very important for the patient to fix the head. To fix the head to the wall or to the chair. So, in order to not move, even if the patient is adult, may move the head, so will fail the procedure. Just try to fix the head to the wall or to the chair. Open the eye, use torch. Of course, if assistant help you, will be better. Try to find the bevel, the part of the needle which is sloped. This is called bevel of the needle, to be downward. Then does the same procedure. Use the light in one side, and you just directly go to the side of the foreign body, and you try to remove it. Just if it's failed, so it needs street lamp and need further consultation. The patient should be referred to the ophthalmologist unit. If the foreign body remove it, and you have to look again to the eye if the foreign body completely remove it. So no need further option. Just use antibiotic and painkiller. I mean eye drops for the patient. But sometimes even if you use the needle, if the foreign body is not so hard, you may break it. So part of it will remain inside the eye. So you may write consultation, outpatient department for the patient. That's it. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thumb up and subscribe to my channel for further videos. Thank you.